Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin. Nice move to the upside because the dollar got crushed. Remember, the cycle top, previous resistance. Now it's support, support. Can you get a double bottom breakout and a huge reversal of the Bitcoin price action, or will this thing just roll over? And we're going to dive deep into both of these ideas. Understand plan A, plan B, same thing. Price action has been in this descending triangle for an extended period of time since way back here, June 1st. When this thing breaks out, you will see, finally, we'll get some volatility out of this market. This thing has been going sideways and hasn't been very much fun. Let's rewind real quick. You guys have been with me for a while. The Bitcoin bear market 2018. Remember a similar pattern where you had this descending triangle and this thing broke to the downside and you saw a move from 6,000 down to 3,150. The bulls got crushed. So it's all about to happen. Some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person's been in the group, he joined about 2 years ago. He started off with $60,000. Now he's up to $3 million that he's trading with. This person, he started off with $1,000. He's up to $20,000 on the Gem Pick Bangers. Shout out to Michael and Elizabeth. They hit $170,000 in trading crypto today. They started with $14,000 in January. That's huge for average trader. Sees this success in the group where you're not working with a huge giant bag and you're putting smaller amounts in and you're seeing consistent steady gains. This person had $518 in gains, $73 in gains, $220 in gains, $330 in profits. But again, you total these up, you stack these, you stack this money, you compound your profits, and you make life-changing money, period. Today we killed it. We had 289% profits out of C-Pool, Hero up 123%, XCur up 29%, XRP, this is a 3X long, 18% gains, NTVRK up 42%. Again, you've got to be in the right coins and I can help you. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bang. So right now, the DXY got completely smashed and Bitcoin saw some upside, right? This orange line down here is Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin saw this upside because this is like a mirror. If you watch this price action, Bitcoin is in the orange and it gets rejected here and essentially the DXY moves the opposite direction. So DXY is pumping and Bitcoin is dumping. Now, based on that idea, you got this rising wedge. This is the dollar. If this thing doesn't just roll over and dump, you're not going to get the breakout move out of Bitcoin, right? So you want to see the dollar weak and stocks and crypto will take off. That's one. So understand that this is E-mini futures, right? This is a way that I gauge a stock market. And so you have a lower low right here. This is not a good sign, but initially you can still see some upside. However, the next high is a very high percentage. I'm going to come back to this video in 14 days, and I'm going to say, hey, remember this I talked about? Unless you get this breakout, what in the economy right now is going to cause the entire stock market to break higher, right? Headed towards all-time highs again. I mean, think about it. What on a macro level? It would take some pretty big news. So this lower low, you're looking for a lower high next. So if there is some upside, understand that there's a point where you want to short these coins and your next low is going to be a lower low based on this lower high. And that's how you nail these moves, is by understanding how the price action moves. Lower lows and lower highs is a downtrend and it's continuing based on this lower low. Bitcoin dominance breaking out to the upside, which probably noticed a lot of the altcoins weren't moving as well as Bitcoin, as well as they normally would. And so when this thing trends higher, a lot of times you can see altcoins bleed if Bitcoin is getting hit hard. But when Bitcoin is trending higher, you'll see, let's say Bitcoin's up 4%, you see Ethereum up 4% too. Where normally, if this thing is in a altcoin season, Bitcoin moves 3% and Ethereum's up 6 or 7%, right? So understand that when this is moving higher, it means money is flowing into Bitcoin more so than the altcoins. This is the total altcoin market cap, total 2. This is in a bear flag. This is not broken lower yet, but it's at resistance. If this thing rolls over, guess what? The dollar pumps, crypto rolls over, and Bitcoin ends up back at this lower trend line that we previously talked about. So again, you can use multiple charts, multiple time frames, multiple ideas to find the same answers. And that's what I can show you how to do in my trading group. Bitcoin 5-minute chart. And it comes down to this. You can see that this major trend line has to break. The price action has to break out. It's got rejected and it's got rejected again. If this thing, I mean, you're in this rising wedge, 68% chances breaks to the downside, and then you revisit $19,000 from breaks higher, then you go long and you're opening up and you're buying altcoins, right? And you're watching for the bull trap. If we zoom out to the 4-hour chart, I really want to go over the importance of this because you've got a ascending triangle here. There's a 64% chance this breaks out to the upside, but is this the breakout or the bull trap fake out? So be careful here. If you get stuck in this trade, potentially you could be drugged back down to this level at about 19,500 and then potentially another attempt at 20,200. So this triangle that the price action's forming took a little bit to read and figure out, and that's part of pattern trading is you have to wait for the pattern to be printed. But all this green upside happened because the dollar, the DXY, got wrecked. Just like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.